So this is my about 14-year-old Craftsman Eager 1 lawnmower. As you can see, it's in fairly decent condition. Not too much rust or anything like that. The only problem with it is it won't run anymore. For some reason it won't start. I changed the spark plug, the carburetor, the coil, cleaned out everything, and for whatever reason I just cannot get the thing to start anymore. I don't know if anybody has any input as to why it doesn't start, but it's got to be something internally wrong with the engine that I just can't figure out what's wrong with the thing. As you can see, the muffler looks new, the carburetor's brand new, it's got a clean air filter, it's got fresh gas in it, but for whatever reason it doesn't want to start anymore. Like I say, if anybody has any input as to what could be wrong with this thing, I'd appreciate a comment.